Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. So today I want to teach you how to mine Fintopio, and I'm very sure you have been seeing this project. Please, I want you to know that this project is not something you should miss. You should not miss this project for a reason, because this project is going to change a lot of people's life. And it's very simple. The thing is, when you come down to this this diamond blue logo at the center here, when you click on it, so it's going to pop up something. Let's wait for it to pop up. It's now left to you that, so you are going to break this stone you are seeing in the middle. You break this stone, so you just have to start tapping on it. So tap on it, tap on it. That's what I'm tapping on it. So the more you keep tapping, it's going to be vibrating, and you can see that it's showing the diamond inside. So you tap by the side. Don't tap on the diamond. Don't tap on the diamond, on the stone. So you are going to tap gently. Tap gently so that you don't break the diamond. If you tap it aggressively, you can break the diamond. That is what you're trying to bring out from it. So just tap gently. Tap gently. So it's going to break. See, the more you tap, the more it's going to you're about. So make sure you're just tapping it. Don't be so consistent. Don't be so that you don't break the diamond. Be tapping it once, just once, gradually. Don't rush it, or you're going to break it down. Alright, so as you tap this and you wait for it to that you are done. Let's wait. It's going to show something. Let's wait for it to show. You can see that I've collected the diamond. As you can see, I've collected the diamond. It's going to give me the price. So I've gotten 3000 HP. Wow, that's so I'm going to wait for the next 18 minutes or rather for me to get another. So that's how you get the diamond. So the next thing is for you to Fintopio. It's going to load. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, you go to our wallet. So you can use any of the wallets. I think Tom Wallet is there. So you can also use Fintopio wallet. So create a wallet with them and add your own wallet. So another thing here is, okay, let me click on by the side here. So okay, let me check. Let me click on swap. It's coming soon. Let me here. Click sell. Click on this. So as you can see that we task. Click on to see the tax that you are eligible to farm this coin too. If you click on collect now, it has done farming for me. So if I click on collect now, it's going to give me my point and you can farm again. So to start farming, it's going to take about 7 hours or so to another farming diamond. So there's also going to be daily reward. You invite people, you get diamond for inviting people, and if you have some cash that you want to do some swap or to send some coin, you get diamond for it too. So this is how this project you should miss. Just come on and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.